Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to increase Rajhi Bank limit. So the first step that you have to do is open the Rajhi Bank and log in. Now, once on the home screen, you will see your account summary and a grid of services, including accounts, transfers, payments, cards, and settings. So just have to do is tap the menu icon to access all available features. Next is tap on the profile icon, or you can also go to the settings from the main menu. Now, from here, you will see a list of options, including personal info, account limits, notifications, security, and linked accounts. So tap on the account limits to manage your banking limit. Next is the account limit screen will show your current ATM withdrawal limit, POS, which is purchase limit, and online purchase limit in SAR. So each limit type displays a current amount and maximum allowed. So what you're going to do is tap on increase next to the limit that you want to raise. Next is use the slider to input field to set your desired new limit amount in SAR. So the application shows your current limit and the maximum allowed limit. So you just have to review the terms and then check the agreement box and tap confirm to proceed with increase. Lastly is your Rajhi Bank limit has been increased successfully. So the new limit is now activated and will be reflected immediately across all transactions. So save the transaction reference number for your records. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!